Hello everyone. So we are going to look at Grand Test 2 solutions for arithmetic. Look at question number 51. If AB into A minus B is equals to 1, then the value of A cube minus B cube minus 1 by A cube B cube. A minus B is equals to 1 by AB. Cube on both sides. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B is equals to 1 by A cube B cube. This we know is equals to what? 1. So 3 goes that side. A cube minus B cube minus 1 by A cube B cube gives me 3. Because it is 1, negative 3 goes that side and it becomes positive 3. A is equals to root of 5 plus 1 by root of 5 minus 1. B is equals to root of 5 minus 1 by root of 5 plus 1. We can clearly say AB is equals to 1 and A plus B. A plus B, in the numerator it is root 5 plus 1 whole square plus root 5 minus 1 whole square. It is in the form of A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. In the denominator it is like A minus B into A plus B. So we know that A square, A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square is 2 into A square plus B square, that is 5 plus 1. In the denominator it is 5 minus 1. So it is 12 by 4, that is 3. Now A square plus B square, you square it. Plus 2AB is equals to 9. We know AB is equals to 1, therefore it comes here. A square plus B square is equals to 7. Substitute it here. 7 plus 1 by 7 minus 1. 8 by 6 or by 3. In a triangle ABC, angle BAC is equals to 75 degrees. Angle ABC is equals to 45. BC is produced to D. So this is BC is produced to D. Angle A is given as 75. Angle B is given as 45. And ACD, the external angle, is sum of two opposite interior angles, that is 120 there. Then x by 3% of 60 degrees. 120 by 3 is 40%. 40% of 60. 2400 by 100 is how many degrees? 24 degrees. Next. Sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta is equals to 1 by 5. When theta is equals to an acute angle, then the value of tan theta. Right? What is sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Here T represent what? Here T represent tan theta. Okay. So what is cos 2 theta? 1 minus T square by 1 plus T square. Take the LCM. In the numerator it is 2t plus 1 minus T square. 1 by T square goes that side. 1 plus T square goes this side. And 5 comes this side. So what I can write? Minus 10t plus 5 minus T square minus 5t square. 1 plus T square. 6t square minus 10t negative 4 is equals to 0. 6 4s are 24. 6t square but negative 10. So you take it as 12 and 2. Negative 12t plus 2t minus 4. You can clearly see if you common 60, t minus 2. Q common to T minus. Negative tan theta you cannot accept. Tan theta is equals to 2, you can accept it. Why negative is not accepted? Because theta is acute angle. For an acute angle, tan theta is positive. A parallelogram has sides 60, 40, and one of its diagonal is 80 meters long and its area. See, you're getting a triangle here. And if when 3 sides are given, what is the area of a triangle? The area of a triangle given by Heron's formula. First, find out the semi-perimeter. Take out this 0 out. Okay, this 0 is not required, or else if you take 20 out. So what is left? What ratio it will be in? 2, 3, 4. You can also do it with this, or else let it be all the numbers. 180 by 2 is 90. Under root of 90. 90 minus 40, 50. 90 minus 60, 30. 90 minus 80, 10. 100 comes out. 3 also comes out. 3 into 5, 15 stays in. So, but parallelogram area is 2 times of triangle area. Therefore, it is 600 root of 15. Because this is one triangle, this is second triangle. We know diagonal divide it into 2 equal areas. The square root of, look at after the decimal point. After the decimal point, what do we have? 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits. 9 digits in the numerator. 4, 4, 1, 1. 4, 4, 4, sorry, 4, 4, 1. 9 digits in the numerator, 9 digits in the denominator. So if it is gone, then how it looks? 324, 81, 4624, 15625, 289, 729, 64. We know square root of all these numbers. Okay, this one is 18. It's 9. Keep it aside, I'll tell you. This one, 15625 is 5 to the power of 6 or square of 125. It is 17. 27. This one is 8. See here. 70 square is very close to this. 70 square is 4900. It ends with 4 means definitely it is a square of 68. Right? 9 ones are, 9 threes are, 1s are, 4s are. 125 8s are 1000. Keep it as it is. So what we got? 24 by 1000, which is 0.024. So your answer is 0.024 there. The number of real solutions x comma y of the equation. I can take this as x plus y whole square is equals to xy. I can take it as x plus y, x square plus y square plus xy multiplied with 2. I can write it as 2x square, 2y square plus 2xy is equals to 0. 1x square plus 1y square plus 1 2xy becomes x plus y whole square plus x square plus y square is equals to 0. We know if anything in the form of a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 0, then what do we know? A is equals to 0, b is equals to 0, c equal to 0. Each and every value becomes 0. So here is giving you that x plus y should be equal to 0, y is also 0, x is also 0. But this is not possible. Because if you look at the given equation, x cannot be equal to 0 and x plus y cannot be equal to 0. Because if x is equals to 0, this given equation is not defined. Okay, because it is in the denominator, you cannot put 0 in the denominator. So they should have given you that x is not equal to 0 and x plus y should not be equal to 0 in the question. Even if it is not, this is not defined. Okay, for x plus y is equals to 0 or x is equals to 0 value, the given equation is not defined. Therefore, you cannot have any real values for this. When simplified the product, what is the first one? It is 6 minus 1, 5 by 3. Second one, 7 by 5. Third one, 14 means 9 by, goes on. Every time it is 2 more, right? So here also it is how much? 1001 by 999. The first case, numerator, denominator. Second numerator, third denominator, and so on. Denominator and numerator cancels. So what you will be left with? 1001 by 3. That's simple cancellation. A rectangular piece of paper of dimensions 22 centimeters by 12 centimeters is rolled along its length. To form a cylinder, the volume of the cylinder formed. So you are rolling it like this. So this is a rectangle, you are converting it into this. 22 centimeters, 12 centimeter is height. The height of the cylinder is 12 only, but the circumference is 2 pi r, which is equals to 22. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 22. Radius is 7 by 2. So what is the volume? Pi r square. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 h. 7 7 you cancel. 1s are 11s are 6 are 42 11s are 462, right? And one more thing, you can do it without using all this. You know that the cylinder volume means definitely it is pi r square, so 11 is involved. When 11 is involved, it is definitely a multiple of what? 11. So when the volume is definitely a multiple of 11, check for the multiple of 11. 7 minus 6, not divisible by 11. 6 minus 1, not divisible by 11. 6 minus 6, 11 divisible by 11. 5 minus 6, not divisible by 11. So only by using the divisibility rule of 11, you can eliminate it. So you can say 462 is the answer because that is the only number which is divisible by 11. An article passing through two hands, it is sold at a profit of 38% at the original cost price. If the first dealer makes a profit of 20%, then the profit percentage made by the second. If the cost price of the article was initially 100, you are selling it 38% profit means 138. First dealer sells it to a profit of 20%, that is 120. What is the profit for the second dealer? How much profit the second dealer getting? 18. Upon which he is getting? Upon 120 into what? 100. So you can clearly say it is how much? 6 3s are, 6 20s are. It is 15%. Overall profit is 38%. The perimeter of a rhombus is 2p units, and the sum of lengths of the diagonal is m units. The area of the rhombus. See, area of rhombus is half d1 d2. This is the area of the rhombus. And given that sum of lengths of diagonals d1 plus d2 is given, which is equals to m. Perimeter is 4a square. 4a is given as 2p. 2a is, or else you can say a is p by 2. What we know about sides and diagonals? d1 square plus d2 square is equals to 4 into side square and square on both sides. d1 square plus d2 square, 2 d1 d2 is equals to what? M square. Now what is d1 square plus d2 square? 4 into side square. Side are a, both of them are same. P square by 4. 4 4 cancel, it is p square. Therefore 2 d1 d2 is m square minus p square. So therefore what is 1 by 2 d1 d2 divided by 4 both the sides. Area is equals to divided by 4, you get 1/4 of m square minus p square. So it is 1/4 of m square minus p square. The average age of certain number of persons in a group is calculated as 36 years. If the ages of 3 persons were misread as 31, 42, 46 years instead of 23. See, you are taking it as 31, 42, 46. But what are their ages? 23, 32, 64. Right? Tell me how much it is. How much decreased? You need to replace him by 23 and 32 and 64. How much less it is? 10 less, 18 more. Is there any deviation? If you do it, if you replace it also, there is no difference in the sum. The sum differs by 0. If sum differs by 0, the average does not change. Even if you replace 31, 42, 46 with 23, 32, 64, the sum does not changes. As long as the sum stays the same, average remains the same. So what is the average? It remains 36 only. In a triangle ABC, D is a point on BC such that AB by AC is equals to BD by DC, and B is equals to 72 and C is equals to 56. So he's asking you what is angle BAD. Now look at here. D is a point on BC. He is giving you that AB by BD. AB by BD is equals to AB by AC is equals to what? BD by DC, which means it's an angular bisector. What is AD? AD is a angular bisector. What do you know about an angular bisector? Angular bisector divides the opposite side in the ratio of its adjacent sides, right? I know that this is 72, this one is 56. Put together it is 128. What is the remaining angle? 52. So divide it by 2. This becomes 26. This also becomes 26. He's asking you BAD, that is 26. So simply the answer is what? 180 minus 128 divided by cos 21 is x by y. Then cosecant 21 and cos 69. This is 21. This is x. See, cos means adjacent by what? Hypotenuse. So this becomes under root of y square minus x square. Yes or no? If it is 21 means this becomes 69. Now you tell me what is cosecant 21. Cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite 69. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is under root of y square minus x square by what? Y. So y square gets cancelled anyway. So what you left in the numerator? X square by what? Y into root of y square minus x square. What is an answer here? Answer is A there. 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta is equals to 1. So can I say 2 cos 2 theta? What is cos 2 theta? 1 by 2. 2 theta is equals to 60 degrees. Theta is equals to 30 degrees. Cot 30 is root over 3. So cot 30 is root 3 because theta is acute angle. All of them are positive. The area of a circle whose radius is 8 root 3 centimeter is trisected by 2 concentric circles. The radius of the smallest circle. Let me get the figure for you. See there. There are 3 areas I am taking. The gray color one, and the pink one, and the orange one. All 3 are actually what? All 3 have the equal areas. That is the meaning of trisection. Okay, trisection means This area is, if it is A, this is also A, this is also what? A. So larger circle area is what? 3A. Smaller circle area is what? A. Now see here, larger circle is pi into 8 root 3 square. Smaller circle area is pi into r square. Larger circle area is 3A, smaller circle area is A. Yes or no? You cancel pi and pi, A and A. Therefore, r square is equals to 64 into 3 by 3. 3 also cancel. Therefore, what is r? 8. Okay. If area is, radius is root 3 times, means area is 3 times. The angle of elevation of a top of a tower from a two horizontal points at a distance of 25 meters and 64 meters. From a top of a tower, if two distances are 25 and 64, even if it is x and y, if these angles are x and 90 minus x, or theta and 90 minus theta, if they are supplementary, what do we know about it? Height. Height is equals to root over xy. Why? Because take tan theta. What is tan theta? H by y. What is tan 90 minus theta? Cot theta is h by x. Multiply both of them. Tan theta into cot theta becomes 1. H square by xy is equals to 1. Therefore, h is equals to h square is equals to xy. H is equals to root over xy. So root over 25 into 64, which is 5 into 8. 40 meter. The moment you see the angles are complementary angles and given height is h. H is equals to under root of x into y. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle with the side A units, and the side PQ of a rectangle PQRS lies on the side BC of the triangle. See, this one is ABC, equilateral triangle, and PQRS lie on BC of the triangle. D is the midpoint of PQ. ED is perpendicular to what? SR. And P is also a midpoint of BD. So this is P. Therefore, it is Q. This one, these two are midpoints, he says. Okay. If these two are midpoints, PQ is half of BC, and let BC be what? Side A you assume, then PQ becomes what? A by 2. Height of an equilateral triangle and height of a rectangle, both of them are same. If height of an equilateral triangle and height of a rectangle, both of them are same, what is the height? Root 3 by 2 into A. Therefore, area is equals to, rectangle area is A by 2, length into breadth, root 3 by 2 into A. That becomes root 3 A square by 4, or else root 3 by 4 A square. Okay. D is a midpoint of PQ and P is a midpoint of what? BD. Therefore, you can say this distance and this distance, both of them are same only. So P and Q are midpoints of what? BD and DC, he is saying indirectly, right? Height for both of them are same. So the rectangle area is equals to the area of equilateral triangle. That's all. Height is same, base is half. The number when reduced by 12%, when a number reduces by 12%, it becomes 88%. Becomes 396. By what percent should it be increased so that it becomes 648? 648 is how much? What do we do? Cross multiply. 648 into 88 divided by what? 396. 11 8s are 11. 36. 4 2s are 4. 9 7s are 9 2s are. So 144% means how much it should increase? Should increase by 44%. A, B, and C are the 3 points on the circle such that the angle subtended by the chord AB and AC at center O are 90 and 110 respectively. What is BAC? See here. He's saying AB and AC. This is AB and this is AC. And what is the angle subtended at the center? ABC. This is AB. This is AC. Angle subtended at the center, respectively, it is 90 degrees. It is 110 degrees. He's asking you BAC, which means he's asking you this angle. If it is 200, can you tell me what is the opposite angle here? 160. If it is 160, angle subtended at the center will always be twice of this angle. Therefore, how much it should be? 80 degrees. It is 160 by 2. The circumference of a triangle is 24 and the circumference of its incircle is 44. The moment you know that the circumference is 44, radius is how much? 7. Circumference of a triangle, perimeter given, semi-perimeter is how much? 12. Then the area. For a triangle, when area is asked, semi-perimeter and in radius is given, it is R into S or S into R. So 12 into 7, which is 84 square centimeters. I told you the areas of triangles. Once again, I'll revise them. Just see the areas of the triangle. First of all, when 3 sides are given, it is under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is when 3 sides of a triangle are given. When height into base are given, half height into base or base into height. When 2 sides, an angle between them is given, this is AB sine theta or sine C, you can say. 2 sides of a triangle, an angle between them, angle C is given, then it is half AB sine theta. When in radius and semi-perimeter is given, it is R into S. When product of 3 sides and circumradius is given, the area of the triangle is what? ABC by 4R. All these are areas only. Area you generally represent by delta. So these are the 5 different areas. You have a lot of other areas, but these are the main thing. This one is simple addition. Okay. He's asking you 5329. How much it is? 73. After point, you have two decimal points. After a decimal point, you have 2 digits. So in its root, it will have only 1 digit. That is 7 point how much? 3. 0.73. 0.0073. Sorry, 3, right? 7, 3. 3, 0. Okay, one more is also there. 0.0073. It is 3. Then after 1. Then after again, sorry, 0. Then after 1. Then after 1. 1, 8. It is 81.1103. 81.1103. See here. Budget estimated by the family for their monthly expenses. And the total salary is 32,000. What is the budget estimated for the family for clothing and grocery together? For clothing, it is 8%. Grocery, it is 20%. So it is 28% of 32. 2 zeros cancel. See, 28 can be written as what? 30 minus 2. 32 can be written as 30 plus 2. 900 minus 4 is 896. 1 0 is anyway common. So 896 is the answer there. The family actually paid 4672 on grocery. What is the difference amount budgeted and spent on groceries? Generally, groceries, how much percentage there? Groceries is 20%. She's asking you what is the difference. What is 20% of 32,000? That is 64,000. Sorry, 6,400. This is 4672. If you subtract, you'll get what? 28. You don't have 28 here. You don't have 28, 28. So answer is none of this. It is actually 1728. Should be the correct answer. What is the difference in the amount estimated? What is the difference in the amount estimated by the family on electricity bill and cell bill? See, electricity bill is how much? 19. Cell bill is what? 13. 13% of 32,000 is simply 13 into 320. 13 2s are 26. 3s are 39. 41. 4160 is the answer. Okay. So that's all for this one. Now Umamaheshwar sir will explain. Just a second.